Welcome to the Biology Domination Podcast. I'm your host, and this is Episode 8. Today we go deep on the frog, Rana tigrina. This is the chapter most students skim through, thinking it's just an animal chapter. That is a massive mistake. NEET 2026 directly lists structural organization in animals, with specific focus on the frog. Multiple marks are sitting right here, and most students leave them on the table. Not you. Not after today. Let's begin with why the frog matters, and then systematically go through every NEET relevant system. Why the frog? Because the NCERT rationalized syllabus specifically includes it. When the syllabus names a specific organism, NEET questions follow. The frog covers every major body system: digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous, excretory, reproductive. In competitive exams, this kind of comprehensive organism is a goldmine. And because most students dismiss it, mastering the frog gives you an edge. Let's go through each system conversationally, the way you'd explain it to a friend. Let's talk digestion. The frog catches prey with a bilobed tongue that's attached at the front of the mouth. Unusual, right? In humans, the tongue is attached at the back. The frog has two types of teeth: maxillary teeth on the upper jaw only, and vomerine teeth on the roof of the mouth. The lower jaw is completely toothless. Food travels from the buccal cavity through the esophagus into the stomach, then into the duodenum where pancreatic juice acts on it, then through the ileum and large intestine, and finally out through the cloaca. The liver is the largest gland. It secretes bile stored in the gallbladder. The cloaca is the single common chamber through which digestive, urinary, and reproductive products all exit. Think of it as the frog's all-purpose exit terminal. The circulatory system: 3-chambered heart, 2 atria, and 1 ventricle. The sinus venosus collects blood from the body and feeds it to the right atrium. Oxygenated blood from lungs and skin goes to the left atrium. Both atria pour into the 1 ventricle. Blood leaves via the truncus arteriosus. Mixed circulation. Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood mix. This is why frogs are cold-blooded. Now, respiration. 3 modes. Cutaneous, through the moist skin, works on land and in water. Buccal, through the cavity lining. Pulmonary, through simple sac-like lungs on land. No diaphragm. Buccal floor movements pump air in and out. During hibernation in winter, or aestivation in summer, frogs rely entirely on cutaneous respiration. The nervous system: 5 brain regions from front to back: olfactory lobes, cerebrum, diencephalon, optic lobes, and then cerebellum and medulla oblongata. 10 pairs of cranial nerves, a number you must not confuse with the human 12. The optic lobes are the midbrain, important for NEET questions on brain regions. For reproduction, external fertilization. The male clasps the female in amplexus to stimulate egg release. Eggs are fertilized in water. Development is indirect. A tadpole larva hatches and undergoes metamorphosis to become an adult. For excretion, frogs are ureotelic, excreting urea through mesonephlic kidneys. The urinogenital duct in males carries both sperm and urine. Females have separate oviducts. And that is Episode 8 of Biology Domination wrapped. You now know the frog inside out, literally. Before you sleep tonight, repeat these 5 facts out loud. 3-chambered heart, 10 cranial nerves, no diaphragm, tympanum is for hearing, external fertilization. If you found this helpful, subscribe wherever you get your podcasts, and follow us on Telegram for daily NEET resources, PYQs, and notes. Episode 9 drops tomorrow. Cell, the unit of life. It's one of the highest weightage topics in all of NEET biology. You do not want to miss it. Until then, keep revising, keep winning.